Oh, I like attempted to do my hair today. It didn't work out very well. It's really dirty. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jackie. If you're not new here, welcome back. Today's video, you're going to see how I created this look with the heavily admired Pat McGrath, which one's this? Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime Bronze Temptation. So this guy right here retails for $55. It has 6 shadows that are 12 grams each. Super pretty, definitely super wearable. If you wanted to see my thoughts and how I created this look right here and some swatches, then definitely keep on watching. But before you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell so you can be a part of the fam here. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I don't know what is going on with my skin right now. I just got back from vacation, so I feel like your skin just does crazy things, like the airplane. I feel like it just dries you out. So I'm just gonna do like extra steps of hydration today because I just feel like it's so dry. So I'm actually gonna go in with the Becca Skin Love. I don't know if you can see I've actually used quite a bit of it because I figured I bought it, so I might as well use it. And at first, like, I didn't love it, but now, I don't know. The smell is just so freaking good that I just keep using it whether it works or not. I don't know. I like the way it feels. So I'm just gonna let this kind of soak into my skin. Oh, it kind of burns a little bit. Do any of you guys razor your face? I know that sounds really weird. So I've always just been self-conscious about like the hairs that I have here. So I was watching this girl on Instagram that I follow, and she picked up these razors, and she said she was too scared to use them, and now I think that I know why. Like, they say your hair, once you shave it, it grows back more, and I feel like I'm just so hairy now. I did it initially because I thought that it would like make my makeup lay better, and it does when it's smooth, but I don't know. One of those decisions that I'm just regretting doing, and now you have to keep doing it because, I don't know, you just feel like you're fucking hairier. And then next, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This stuff is seriously my holy grail. I've just noticed such a difference in my makeup application when I put it on. Yes, it is expensive AF, but I don't know. It doesn't smell terrible. If this moisturizer smelled like that Becca Skin Love elixir, we'd be onto something. Like, how do I invent that? How do I make that combination right there? Because I would pay hundreds of dollars for that. Why do you do this to me? I'm super excited. I bought this right before I went on vacation, so I didn't get a chance to use it, but I have been dying to, and it is the Pat McGrath Mothership Sublime Bronze Temptation eyeshadow palette. Now, if y'all follow me, y'all know that I fell in love with the, I don't know, what one is it called? What? Oh, okay. The Bronze Ambition. This guy, love, love, love. So this is the Bronze Temptation. The colors in it are just so pretty. Okay, so you open her up and she has, I'm gonna try not to blind you with my mirror. Oh, that thing that's like super annoying. I hate that it falls out, but if you don't keep it in there, you won't know the shades. Like, I don't know. I almost wish it was like, I don't know. I don't know what I wish. Anyways, so this is what she looks like. The colors are so pretty. I've obviously already swatched it. I can't get something and like not swatch it. That's not possible. Okay, so I'm actually just going to prime my eyeballs, just grabbing any concealer. This is the Catrice high coverage camouflage concealer. It works. I don't know if I still have eyeshadow on my eyes, I feel like from like a week ago. You guys, since I've gotten back, go in the hole. Since I've gotten back from vacation, I've been so sick. Pretty sure I had the flu, and I just like haven't got out of bed, haven't had zero motivation to do anything. I know I suck, but it is Friday, and I need to get my act together, and we're taking Carter to see the Christmas lights tonight. She's like obsessed with lights. So that's what we're taking her to do. So I'm actually going to go in with the shade Burning Desire right here. And we are going to put that all over the crease. So I'm just taking this and putting it all over the crease. Now what I loved about her first palette is although there weren't like a lot of different matte shades, I felt like you could take the one that was in there, and depending on like the pressure that you applied it with and the denseness of the brush, you could get different shades from that one color. So I want to see if this is the same. So I'm just building her up. I feel like my eyeball veins are in full force today. Like I'm such a vascular person. So now I'm just gonna actually take the JH34, so this is just a denser crease brush, and go in with that same shade and see if I can build it up to get that dimension that I want. I don't know, I feel like the other brown shade in the other palette was like more buttery. Like I feel like it was I mean, this is pretty effortless to blend, but I just feel like, I don't know, there was something about that shade. But do you see how there's like dimension with that, just that one color? That's what I love about these shadows. And I also love that I mean, it's still really expensive. It's $55 for 6 eyeshadows. But if you want to try out her formula and you like don't want to pay $125 for the full thing, you can just kind of test them out with these. Now I still don't know if I would pay $125 for an eyeshadow palette. That's a lie. I finally splurged and bought the gold palette from Natasha Denona. That's gonna be my next video. But it was just too pretty, and I think they said it was limited edition. At least the lady in Sephora told me it was limited edition, so she's probably playing me and just wanting me to buy it. But it works because I bought it. Okay, so I'm actually just gonna take a fluffy brush that has nothing on it and just kind of make sure that blend is smooth. Do you see my eyelashes playing me? R.I.P. Oh. I think I'm delirious. Lack of sleep. No energy. Oh, fuck. Okay, part of me really wants to go in with this green shade. It's just, look at how freaking pretty that is. Oh my goodness. It is just so pretty. It's like, looks green in the pan, but it definitely has a blue shift to it. So I'm actually, I think I'm not gonna use that one today. I think I'm going to go in, actually, you know what? Let's cut the crease first. Should we? Should we cut the crease? No, I don't know what I wanna do today. We're gonna go in with the shade Corruption. Actually just gonna pat that on with my finger and see where that takes me. If you can see, it has that gorgeous like red yellowy shift. It is so freaking pretty. So I'm actually just going to pop that on the center of my lids with my finger. Does anybody have fake or eyelash extensions out there that you just feel like they get in the way? Like, I feel like I could probably do my makeup so much better if I didn't have them, but I'm like obsessed with them. Sounds like there's something on my roof right now. That's kind of disturbing. Can you see like the shift in color? So freaking pretty. I can't. It's literally like I put 2 eyeshadows on my eyeballs and I didn't. Okay, then I'm just going to take a smaller crease brush and go back into that tan shade and kind of just blend out the edges. Make sure we are good to go. And I'm deciding if I wanna like darken it up a little bit, and I think I do. I'm gonna take the shade Dark Paradise right here and deepen up this outer part of the V. I feel like that's blending out super easy. It's not patchy at all. It's just giving a little bit more depth and dimension. So this is Provocatrix and this is Celestial. Provocatrix felt definitely a lot more creamier, but we shall. I will swatch them right here. They are so freaking pretty. So Provocatrix definitely has a shift, if you can see that. God, my camera hates me today. Which is super pretty. It's like a pink champagne with like yellow reflex. You can definitely see it. That is so freaking pretty. That would be pretty all over the lid. I'm almost regretting this decision and wishing that I put that all over the lid. So you know what? I'm just gonna go for it and pop that on the center of my eyeballs and see what happens. Kind of just give you a little bit more dimension. I'm not hating it. So I mean, this is just showing you that they all layer so nicely and so beautifully. That one looks a little bit more glittery than the rest of them. A little bit more chunky, but still so pretty. So then I think I'm gonna take that shade Celestial and just pop that on my inner corner. And it's not really showing up. Maybe it is. Not really as much as I want it to. Let me wet my brush with a little Fix Plus. See how that works. There we go. That just made the world of difference. I think I'm gonna drag a little bit up here. That is super pretty. Okay, we are back, and to quickly finish up the lower lash line, I'm going to first take the Dark Matter shade and run that across my bottom lash line. And then to blend that out, I am going to use that Burning Desire shade on a pencil brush and smudge it out. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's just super pretty. Definitely, you know, an eye look that you don't see every day. These colors are just so unique and versatile. And I really, really love it. I'm excited to play with that blue-green color in the palette. All in all, I think it's worth your money. Like, I might say if you don't have either of them, I definitely think this one is still my fave, only because the colors are more wearable. And this one, I mean, it's gorgeous. Pat McGrath, you always kill it, at least from what I know from the two palettes that I own. So yeah, I definitely think it's worth the 50 bucks. Treat yourself. But yeah, I like the way the look came out. What's on my face, in case you're wondering, I attempted to go back to try this hourglass stick because it's always on everyone's favorites list, and I just feel like with my dry skin, it patches up right here and you can just see it. Like, it's just one of those foundations that I feel like I can see on my face, and it's not my favorite. I know this isn't a review about that, but anyways, that's what I'm wearing on my face. My lip color is Yash by MAC, which I love. My lips are super dry and cracky. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you recreate this look. Definitely tag me down below or let me know your thoughts. What's your favorite Pat McGrath palette? And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Click it, like it, love it, watch it. Join me and be a part of the fam here. I'm having so much fun with you guys, as always, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.